If you're wondering how you can change the lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just tap and hold on the empty space on your lock screen. Now, if you have set a passcode on your lock screen, it will ask you to enter the passcode of your lock screen. After that, you will find this screen. Now from here, you can either select a preset which you have made earlier, or you can select any of the default presets available over here. Now if you want to change the lock screen wallpaper, you can either tap on customize and you can customize the existing wallpaper, or you can create a custom preset like these. I will create a custom preset. For that, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now you can either select any of the default featured photos which are available over here, or you can select a photo from your Photos app. Just tap on Photos, and from here just select any photo. For example, I will select this photo. Now you can tap on this icon and you can enable the depth effect on your lock screen. And also you can tap on the three dots over here and you can extend the wallpaper if you want to extend your wallpaper. Also, you can adjust the size of your lock screen clock. For example, we will extend it like that. And also you can change the lock screen clock color. I will tap on the clock, and from here, you can select any color from here. And you can also increase or decrease the intensity of the color. And as you can see, it is currently on liquid glass mode, but you can select solid and you will disable liquid glass on the lock screen clock. I will enable it for now. And from here, you can increase or decrease the thickness of the clock style. And once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on Add. Now from here, you can either select Set as Wallpaper Pair, and by doing that, you will change the wallpaper on your home screen too. Or you can select Customize Home Screen, and by doing that, you can set a separate wallpaper for your home screen. For now, I will select Set as Wallpaper Pair. Then select the lock screen wallpaper which we have created, just like that. And this is how you can change the lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.